Hey, what's up guys? You got an AC dryer you're trying to replace on your vehicle that's up in your wheel weld? Well, in this video I'm going to show y'all how to do it. And right down in there, as y'all can see, there's the lines where they connect to the dryer and the electronic plug right there. Those two bolts that go into the top of the dryer are 10mm. Alright, let's get this unbolting. Let's get those unbolted and we'll be right back with you. Alright guys, we got a 10mm with an extension to go right down in there to get them broke loose. Make sure you evaporate your system with a vacuum pump, or take it to your local shop and have them vacuum it down, so your system you're not letting out freon into the atmosphere. But in this case, this car, the evaporator's bad and it's getting replaced. But it might as well go ahead and do your dryer, orifice tube, and a few other things along with it. Show you here guys. Whoops. Alright, we got them bolts. We got the lines undone. Both the lines are undone. And it's unplugged. Now we gotta get inside the wheel weld and undo the bracket that holds the dryer in there. Alright guys. The dryer, we got the wheel weld up out of the way. Now this dryer up here in the wheel weld, that bolt that's holding the dryers on is 8mm. Let's get that off. Alright guys, we got this bolt undone, loosened up on this bracket here. Let's see if we can slide this dryer up, down out of there. Almost. A little bit looser. There we go. Should be loose now. Come on, baby. Come on back there. We'll try to see if I can. Yeah, we're just gonna have to undo it. Ain't no way we can take it to the top. Got too much stuff in the way here. Get that bolt out. There you go guys. Here's your old dryer removed. So when they go bad, they get real heavy because they got a bunch of buildup in them and they get real gummed up real bad. Almost kind of like how catalytic converters work. You know, the catalytic converter gets clogged up with soot real bad. But right here, we got the brand new one.